Recording.
We're doing the Georgia Peach Fountain. Yes, we are.
Yeah, we're doing the Georgia Peach Fountain.
And that's Dallas.
Yeah, I bet you everybody that's gonna see this is gonna know you.
Here it is. Show me the case, Dad.
That's the case, sir. Georgia Peach Fountain. It's not very big. That's how big it is next to a cigarette lighter. It's not very big. Trying to figure out what's using this thing real quick.
And that is my
I bet you the top is the fuse.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Yeah, the top is the fuse. Because it fuses all those. Yes. You light the paper and then it lights all those. After it catches on fire.
Okay.
Just put it all in.
Yeah. Alright, we'll see.
My player card is on.
Let's see how big it goes.
A player card.
If it goes real big. And I think it.
Stop
See that
videoing
big.
the truck.
It's going to go kaboom.
It's not the burn your hand on.
Okay. Stepping up to it, I'm stepping into it.
It's doing that scratching thing again.
See the thing spinning up there on the roof?
Mhm.
That's what that sounds like.
How do you know?
Because I've been out here during the day and figured it out. Alright, so I officially cannot figure out how to light this.
Just light one of the fuses in.
Okay.
None of them are long.
This is not.
They all run down the line.
I think I'm going to be out. If it chases me, I will give up. But if it follows me, I'll give up. Just so you know, one more time.
Like the others from below.
Yeah, but Dad just must light the paper and it lights everything.
No, I wasn't aware of that. And that's kind of sketchy. I don't really like that. I won't be able to get the heck away. Alright, we're going to try this tomorrow.
Dad, I bet you the fuses.
Okay,
Dad, I bet you the fuses are like so long it'll give you time.
Still recording?
Okay.
Superstar?
Yeah.
You telling everybody what's going on?
Yes, and we gave up on the Peach Fountain, on Georgia Peach Fountain.
Let's show everybody my player card.
Yes, here's Dawson's player card. It's him.
With my long hair. I miss it.
Yes.
So if you see this, you better get out of the lobby.
Yeah. Goodbye, peoples. Okay? Wait, one more thing.
Get in the driveway.
Oh, never mind, Ren, don't turn it off.
Come on. I'm barefooted.
Dad, where's the fuse?
Decided it was taped.
Oh, it's kind of weird.
Yeah, it is.
Don't you stop recording. The Georgia Peach Fountain, people.
Yeah, I'll record it so y'all can watch the. Oh no, don't make noise, please.
Georgia Peach Fountain.
Don't be loud. We can watch it, but we ain't gonna get out here getting crazy.
Just be making noise.
What do you think, Ram? Good? Good so far?
Yeah.
Glad you went for it? You're in? no.
Yeah. I'm out. It makes too much noise.
It's dead. Thank God.
Good. It's a good thing
That scared me for a second. I thought it was going to take off and start making a bunch of racket.
Yeah, I thought it was like gonna go up in the air with sparks flying everywhere.
I thought those guns would blow.
But Dad, I bet you the cops might come.
Sir, it's out of control. Anymore.
Sir, can we watch?